Now, we're doing these short podcast episodes because we want to equip you with how to get up, dress up, and show up every day. Okay, so today let's talk about the things that are keeping you up at night, decision making. So, you may experience a lot of late nights, or you may find yourself struggling through restless sleep fairly often this week. I know that was the case for me. There is a lot on your mind right now, morning enthusiast, and perhaps you are embroiled in a situation that seems to have no easy answer. Oh my God. You want everything to work out well for everyone involved, including you, but you can't seem to imagine how that would happen, especially as a business owner, especially as a mother or father and having a family. You can't seem to imagine how things would work out or how things would happen, right? Because you want everything to work out. Let go and carry on. The universe, the infinite intelligence, God is already working on solutions for you. And it will be far more superior to what you might come up with on your own. So let that sink in already. There's a solution in the works, and it's far more superior than what you could have come up on your own. So you need to let go and let God. Don't worry, everything will begin to fall into place very soon. So that's what I have in store for you. It's been an honor. I hope this encourages and motivates you to actually take the necessary steps towards your goals, towards your morning routine, towards your habit, towards showing up in your life. Right? Our goal is that you get up, dress up, and show up. And hope this has been an inspiration for you. Listen, I love you. It's been an honor. I love, love, love talking about this stuff. But if you're looking for more, join us on IG, on YouTube, where we have videos we're posting. We have a great following there, but also like and subscribe here, wherever you're listening to a podcast. And we'd love to connect with you. We'd love to continue to provide this amazing content. I'll see you at the top of your best morning routine ever. Stay blessed.